PDF.ai is an AI-powered tool that uses natural language processing to summarize PDF documents. It can help you understand the key points of a document, identify important information, and extract the main ideas. This can be a huge time saver for anyone who needs to read and understand a lot of PDF documents. Using PDF.ai is very simple. Just follow these steps. Go to PDF.ai website, click on the Chat with your PDF document button, upload your PDF documents, ask a question about the document or request a summary. PDF.ai will use its AI to analyze the document and provide you with a response. Here are a few examples of how you can use PDF.ai. Summarize a long legal document to quickly understand the key points. Get a quick overview of a research paper to see if it's relevant to your work. Extract the main ideas from a marketing report to share with your team. PDF.ai is a powerful tool that can help you save time and get the information you need from PDF documents. We encourage you to try it out and see how it can help you in your work. See you in the next video.